Hello, today I will show you how to fix up the charger of the electric server. When this charger is used in the Philips um, electric servers, and after for years use, when you use this charger to charge your server, and one day it will your server's charger lights will be disappear. Then um, it will come to the charger is broken down, and the easy check is use the multimeter to check out the output from the chargers. Normally the Philips electronic server charger is output around 50 watt 50 watt output, DC 50 watt output. If there's no output from this connector, is that mean the charger is broken down? The answer is no. I successfully fixed up two of these chargers. They are the main the method is that firstly you need to check with the output without this wire. So you need to check out. You can easily to open it up. Here's the cover. The first you need to check is this board's output without this wire. And after I fix up two of the chargers similar, you can easily check this output after you connect it to your house 220 or 120 home electric, and this output from this board, from the PCB board. Here is red and black wire, and if the board can normally the board is okay, and the fault caused by there's no output is this wire some connection is disconnection, and normally I found its fault normally disconnected is here or here. There's two important way you need to check. First is here, and the second is here. This is also the rubber connectors from the top to the end. Similarly, this one, the end connection of the wire is broken down. So you just need to and my experience, you need to, if you're not sure, you just can knock the end of the wire to check this something like this. I just cut it from here and to check it whether is this one is broken or this end is disconnection. So but normally I just found that it's mainly broken down is this 2 point. So you just need to check it, and reconnect it. We reconnect the wire and use the you can mount it from the wire, and this is very simple to fix this charger. Philips PCB board is very stable, but there are wire connection, and this wire is very thin, not thick enough, I think. So it's very easy to disconnect this connection or cut down by some region. So if you have the same problem, please don't throw this charger first. Please check it, and all of this can fix by yourself. Thank you for watching. Bye.